Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are all doing very well. Today we are going to study about adjectives from your grammar tree book. Page number is 56 and chapter number is 15. What are adjectives first of all? Adjectives are describing words. They are the words that describe something. What do they describe? They describe a noun or a pronoun. What are nouns? You all know what are noun. Noun are the naming nouns are the naming words. They tell you the names of any person, place, or thing. And what are pronoun? Pronoun are the words that are used in place of noun to avoid the repetition. For example, you have examples of noun like Ali, Rawalpindi, book, Holy Quran, Lahore. These are the names of person, places, or things. But if you use a word that is used in place of these nouns, it is called pronoun. For example, Ali is my class fellow. He is an intelligent boy. He in the second sentence is replacing the word Ali, and he is a pronoun. He is used for a boy or a man. If you take the example, Sarah is my class fellow. She is very intelligent. Sarah is the name of a girl, so we use the pronoun she for that. So pronouns are the words that are used in place of noun. Now adjectives are the words that describe both the nouns and pronouns. There is an example that is given in your book also. The definition is here. An adjective tells us something more about a noun. So we say it describes or qualifies a noun. It describes a noun or a pronoun. Here some examples are given. In first two examples adjectives are describing the nouns, and this other two examples adjectives are describing or qualifying pronoun. In first example, in spring all the trees are full of green leaves. The underlined word is green and it is adjective. It is describing what? Can you tell me? It is describing leaves. Leaves is noun, and what type of leaves? Green leaves. Green is describing leaves. In second example, deep. Deep is the underlined word that is adjective, and it is describing the noun lake. The lake is deep. If you take the other two examples, the underlined word is tired. He has worked hard and is very tired. Tired is adjective, and can you tell me what it is describing? It is describing a pronoun that is he. He is tired in this sentence. The second example of pronoun, the mountain is in Nepal. It is very high. The pronoun in this sentence is it, and it is used for what? It is used for mountain. And high is the adjective here in this sentence, and high is describing a pronoun it, and it is referring to mountain. So you can say that adjectives are the words that describe any noun or pronoun. They tell us more about them. The quality can be negative or positive. It can be bad quality or good quality. Now there is another point. The colors. The colors are also adjectives. The names of color can be used as adjectives. They are called color adjectives. For example, Lubna was wearing a red shirt. What type of shirt? Red shirt. Not white, not black. The concerned shirt, the sad shirt is red. White clouds were floating across the blue sky. The color blue is describing the sky. What type of sky? Blue sky. So now you will move on the exercise that is on next page. First of all, read the question carefully so that you would be able to understand what you are asked, what you are required to do. Pick out the adjectives and nouns or pronouns they qualify. One has been done for you. First of all, what will you do? You will pick out the adjectives from the sentences. Then you will tell what nouns or which nouns or pronouns these adjectives are describing. Take the first example that is solved for you. In spring, the trees are covered with green leaves. In this sentence, adjective is green and the noun that they are describing is leaves. Now come to the next example. You will follow the example, and you first of all you will pick out the adjectives from the sentences. Then you will tell the relevant noun for which those adjectives are used, or those adjectives have been used in this sentence. His shoes were muddy and his clothes wet. The two adjectives in this sentence are muddy and wet. And the noun that they are describing, muddy is describing shoes and wet is describing clothes. Now come to next example or next sentence of exercise. The bag was heavy and the little boy could not lift it. The adjectives here in this sentence are heavy and little. Heavy is describing the noun bag and little is describing the noun boy. Okay, here I want to say you something. Try to solve these exercise yourself first. First of all, just underline the adjectives in the sentences. Then look for the noun, relevant noun for that adjective. Do not copy from the notes given to you in the group. First, try to solve this exercise yourself, and after solving yourself, you will concern the notes to check them. And if you have any problem or query, you can ask me. Now move to the next sentence. The hungry tiger was looking for food. The adjective here in this sentence is hungry, and hungry is describing the noun tiger. The tiger was hungry. Next example, Mary's lamb was white and woolly. Adjective here white and woolly. There are two adjectives, white and woolly, and the noun that they are describing is lamb. Alam was tired and thirsty after the long walk. You have three adjectives here, tired and thirsty, that are used for the same noun, that is Alam, and long is another adjective that is used for another noun, that is walk. Next sentence is the terrible storm destroyed the houses. Adjective here in this sentence is terrible, and terrible mean very bad, fearful, frightful, horrible. The storm was very horrible that it destroyed many houses. Terrible is the adjective in this sentence, and the noun that it is describing is storm. A large crowd watched the exciting football match. Here the adjectives are large and exciting, and the nouns are crowd and match. Crowd is the noun for adjective large, and match. Exciting is used for the noun match. The man was old but happy and cheerful. Now you have two adjectives here, happy and cheerful, and both the adjectives are used for the same noun, that is man. From the top of the hill you will see the whole city. Adjectives here are high and whole, and the relevant noun are high is high adjective is used for hill and whole is used for city. Now try to solve this exercise yourself and ask me if you have any problem. Some sentences are on the next page. If you solve this exercise yourself, it is very good, but if you have any query, don't feel shy, you can ask me. We will continue with exercise B in our next class. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a good day. Thank you.